Welcome to workshop time. Allow me to take you through the process of creating something quite unique out of simple materials, like this toilet paper core. My name is Rozani, and I'll guide you through the steps within my workshop, where you can begin creating from things that you have around the house that you might otherwise throw away. And we'll be using my special mixture, for which I'll provide the recipe if you don't already have it. It's a liquid starch mixture that will be used throughout the entire process, being easy to make and it won't stick to your fingers. And here I've combined paper pulp with the liquid starch mixture. For beginning, My Papier Mâché features, and I'll be able to guide you through each segment in my online workshop tutorial. Now, this is a process that takes time to dry, but is fairly simple, all things considered, as I guide you through creating these little facial features. And you can see already how it's begun to take shape. This is something that you can do at your own pace by taking your time and also asking questions throughout the creative process. I conduct my workshops within pre-recorded tutorials. And that way you can work at a pace that's more comfortable for you. You can pause it. And we'll be able to interact together through comments, questions and answers, and posts. We can even do chats. When you go to the link, it will take you to my Patreon shop. And from there on, we'll be able to work together individually and in a group, depending on how many people join in. The participation will vary in age groups and different times. So that's why I want to make it easy for people to access at their own pace. But I will respond to your comments and make sure that I guide you through anything that you are having problems with along the way. Or if you want to show me your work that's already in progress, I will make arrangements so that we can share the images. What I'm showing you here is the quick version. Now this particular little head is about the size of a lemon, though you can make them in any size that you like, but this fits nicely into this cardboard toilet paper roll core. And I've used different types of scraps along with tissue paper and paper napkins. These are the things that I had available to me. You can use whatever is available to you. Things like copier paper, gift wrap, tissue paper, and your craft paints as well. Any markers that you might have. And you can make them in any colors that you like and any style. If you're already familiar with the papier-mâché process, or like to sculpt in clay, this should come quite easily to you, and it's a fun-filled project for people of all ages. And I wanted you to know that this is not a subscription. This is a one-time purchase for only $25, where applying your own creativity can result in something quite whimsical and festive. I hope that you'll be able to join me in this workshop, and please feel free to tell your friends and family. I'd love to help you, and it also helps me greatly. Please let me know if you have any questions. And meanwhile, I thank you for having been here, and I hope to see you next time.